Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use Analiti Speed Test on Android TV and Fire TV devices. If your streaming apps are buffering, videos are lagging, or your internet feels slow, this app can help you check your real internet speed directly on your TV. Let's get started. Part 1. What is Analiti Speed Test? Analiti Speed Test is a powerful internet speed testing and network analysis app designed for smart TVs and streaming devices. It allows you to test download and upload speeds, check Wi-Fi signal quality, analyze network performance. Part 2. Install Analiti Speed Test on Fire TV, FireStick. Step 1. Go to Find section. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find, right pointing arrow, search. Now type Analiti Speed Test. Step 2. Download the app. Select the app from the search results. Click Download or Get, wait or the installation to finish. Then click Open. That's it, the app is now ready to use on your FireStick or Fire TV. Part 4. How to run a speed test. Now let's test your internet speed. When you open the app, you'll see the main dashboard. Simply click on Start Test. The app will begin checking download speed, upload speed, conclusion, and that's it. That's how you can install and use Analiti Speed Test on Android TV and Fire TV devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.